Dudes, first time we used our slide hammer. That's the bottom motor mount, got a little banana to it. A little banana. Full damage report. The motor got yanked sideways, so it broke the weld off of our shifter cable that we welded to the old shifter. That's fine, it didn't ruin the shifter. It yeeted this mount, ripped it smooth off the valve cover. It ripped the mount off down here that's kind of hard to see. Maybe you can see it there. Yeah, it busted that one in half. But we're making another one for the back. I'm gonna get one of these welded across there, clean all that up. That'll be totally fine. I'm gonna have somebody professionally fix the bottom one for me and do another little weld. And then it's going back in with the new back mount that's going on here. And we're gonna take it and rip it. And hopefully not in half this time. So y'all get up in there, share to your friends. We just had forgot to install the reverse motor mounts. We put on all the forward ones.
Yeah.
But we had, so he's notching this pieces. We cut down and we're gonna weld it to that piece. I'm gonna show them real quick. Then we're gonna punch some holes. So it's gonna get both of those mounts. Scooch. I took the motor out of this thing, took it to my buddy Dylan, and he is going to be fixing the broken motor mounts off the engine. As you can see, that one bent too. So I've got new bolts coming. All right, guys, we're hoping today's the day. This baby's all back together and ready to rip. So we got a little bit of work to do. We're gonna get this motor put in and see where we're at. So I took this to my buddy at Frank's Fab Shop. He fixed the valve cover and the bottom mount, and then he made these lines a little different for us so that we could try and rock our oil cooler in a better spot. Might have to all turn the other way first. So guys, we beefed up the mounts in a few spots. Check it. New, beefed up. And then this whole new rear section. And she's in there like swimwear, dude. Stuck in there.
Yeah.
Wedged. About time to fire it up. Give her a little test and tune. Now we can finally tune the carburetor. We'll give it hell. We think we're back in business. Oh, leaking something. Gas out the carb. We're pissing out the carb. Heard. Back in business, dudes. Got the old bam button there. We had to beef up the situation a little bit. To beef up the rear motor mount, aka make one. And we hope it's good to go. Sound good to go.
Nice.
Just can't shift it. No, you got to ride like this, dude. Look.
Yeah, that's it.
You got to ride it like Ace Ventura.
That's my
You
hand.
got to put your head on. It is nice not having to use your left foot for a clutch. That would suck with how tight it is over here.
Yeah.
See, like right now, I want to push in the clutch to ride it down this hill.
Yeah, for real.
Good. Yeah, notice no smoke this time. We didn't even leave it on for a little second. Does it got play now?
No. I turned around over there and fucking bottomed out on a rock. It's like, bam!
Oh, I bet you it was, well, I don't know, I'll stay here. So you can kind of get a better
look. Just the whole thing, dude.
All of it? The whole frame?
Yeah, all of it. Nice and cambered out.
Front shocks tapping out. That was it.
Yeah.
Look, so when they went up, this was the tires. Look, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. It would take us full speed. There ain't no doubt about that. I don't know what full speed is.
Yeah. Air that bitch out.
And it doesn't seem like it was too hot. You know what I mean? Dude, I hope that we got that on video. Bro, that's pretty impressive. So the only things left really to do, we're gonna put a headlight switch on here, and then Orion's gonna print us an intake so we can hopefully run a filter up out of here, and then we can jet it accordingly, because I think we could definitely get more out of it.
Yeah.
But that's pretty damn decent, dudes. It's fun. Yeah. Funner than riding a RZR 500 or a RZR. I mean,
it weighs 3 times the amount.
I mean, honestly, maybe it's even funner than a RZR 800.
Dude, like, you couldn't full throttle that.
Yeah, I know, exactly. We do need a little more room. Oh, that's what we need to do. Since the chain's holding up, next test ride, we need to just take it to Red River or Lake Murray. In the sand.
Yeah.
I bet you I got some paddles, too.
Oh,
some smaller ones.
yeah.
That would be decent. It didn't. I tell you what, I slid it a bunch, you slid it a bunch. Did you ever feel like it was tipping?
No.
Me neither.
No.
Me neither. I got a funny video. I'm like, when you get to the top of the hill, you got to go right. You go up, left. And then again, you come back. I'm like, go right, left.
Dude, I swear you were pointing left. So I was like, all right, I'm going left.
Damn, dudes. Can y'all believe that Honda took the beating? Look at, had to fix the valve cover, the bottom. I mean, yeah. And it was just fine.
Yeah. That's
crazy, you guys.
It's a strong motor. Right?
This is how you know it's ripping, because the back end's just toasted with dust already. Spinning the tires the whole time, dude. I felt it like get sideways, but then I looked back at you and couldn't see you. I was like, oh yeah, for sure. It fucking threw a bunch of dirt everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to like stand up to see.
Oh yeah, afterwards. Dude, good job, man. That shit's fucking, that thing's badass.
Yeah.
A lot of fun, man. But we have to take it to Lake Murray.
Oh yeah.
Just take it in my Raptor or something.
Yeah, dude.
And just trail ride it up and down, go in some of the easy spots, the little bowls. Take the wrenches to adjust the chain.
Yeah.
Maybe make a little toolkit for it. Dude, that's what we should have when we're riding. Get a metal toolbox, bro. Put it in the floorboard. Just tools clanging everywhere while we're riding. So when it fucking breaks down. I'm pretty sure Orion has a crench in here. Get it out.
There's just 5 crescent wrenches on the bar.
All hanging like a chandelier.
That was sketchy.
Like some keys, bro.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of crescent wrenches.
Right here.
We're ready to do
Might
some
move the
test and
crescent
tuning.
wrenches out of the way and work on it.
We're gonna get back up in this next. Get the radiators mounted and a few other things. The chain on, plastics, tank, all that. That's a freshly built CR125.